Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. This is our June box from the Boxycharm by Ipsy. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of June, it is the Juvia's Place Candy Shop palette. Super fun. Look at the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this Ipsy giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. I'm filming 2 of them today. As far as what is on my eyes, it is the Glam Light Ice Cream Dream Palette. Super fun, super colorful. So the Boxycharm by Ipsy retails for $31. You get 5 full-size items in there. I do have a code for Ipsy if it's your first time signing up. If it's in the description box down below. It'll help you and save you a little bit of money and helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. Let's dive in, find out what's in here, find out what we're giving away to one of you. So what Ipsy says about this box is start your summer off bright with June's sizzling Boxycharm lineup packed with bold makeup, glow-giving skincare, and so much more. This box has everything you need for an unforgettable season in the sun. So first item in here is from First Aid Beauty. It's their Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with sunscreen. Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I don't know why that was so hard to say. It does retail for $32. A must-have moisturizer now with SPF 30 delivers all-day hydration plus sun protection in a single step to simplify your morning routine. From Il Makiage is a Color Boss Squad eyeshadow in Real Deal. It does retail for $48. This eyeshadow palette is the ultimate quad to help you create the perfect smoky eye, featuring a versatile matte, brown, and 3 glistening shimmer shades. The formula glides on like a dream, blends like a boss, and slays all day. I love the pan size. It does lean a little coral. Just Examina Cosmetics is a 3-in-1 stick. Retails for $20. This 3-in-1 stick does it all. Use it as a blush, highlighter, or lipstick to create a rosy red monochromatic look in a few swipes. The creamy formula is a dream to blend and can be layered to create whatever vibe you're going for, whether it's a sheer flush or bold pop of color. Like this. There you go. From Lunar Beauty is a lip liner duo. Retails for $28. These creamy, long-lasting liners are like magic wands for your lips. With their full coverage and intense pigmentation, they effortlessly glide on, giving you the perfect look every time. Whether you're feeling flirty with a nude pink or daring with a berry rose, these liners are here to make your pout pop and your heart skip a beat. They are in the shades Doodle and Blushing. Look like this. And there are your 2 shades. I really like this one here up on that side. The one on this side, this like rose colored one. Right there. I think it's really, really pretty. The last item in here is from Contact Skin. It's the Shimmer Eye Stick. It does retail for $20. Talk about one swipe wonder. This creamy eyeshadow stick delivers a pigmented copper color to your lids in like seconds. Whether you're going for a simple look or want to mix and match, these eye sticks are all impact and no effort. Mine is in the shade Evening Star. It's really pretty, kind of like a grayish brown. I love things like this because they really can do really quick, out the door. What were my favorite things in here? I think that the moisturizer with sunscreen, always can use more of those. The liners I really did like. I really liked everything in here. There wasn't really a dud in here. I did want to say really quick, I did pick up the Big Ego Tarte Mascara. I don't go through mascaras that often, and I need to get a lot better about tossing them every 3 months. I've never had an eye infection or anything like that, but still, I need to be better about that. So I thought maybe like the minis would, you know, use up quicker, so that way I toss them quicker. What was your guys' favorite item in the bunch? How are you guys doing? Love chatting back and forth with you guys. It's allergy season here in Idaho, so my voice is more raspier than normal. Let's do a giveaway from Just Beauty, that 3-in-1 stick. I can't wait to see like a look that you guys create with it. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. And make sure to put on your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed to the channel and that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark on it if you did do them, if you actually did, because I don't want to see you get disqualified. So your first way is if you follow me on Instagram, it's BeautyAmaB, AMA, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter, that's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok, it's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this video with your family, friends, social media accounts. I loved when I get tagged on those. It's just a way for me to say thank you so much for helping the channel grow, because it really, really helps us out so much when you guys do that. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Secret word of the day is summer. So let's have this giveaway go through July 5th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then on July 10th, what I will do is I will take from all the Google Forms, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, put that information in the computer, first name, first initial of your last name. The computer spins it all around. The computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. It just helps me out when I want to go mail out the prizes to the winners. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!